Law needs fewer sophists and more straight shooters. This video is inspired by Johnny Thompson's post in Mini Philosophy, and I'll share the link with you at the end of this video and in the description section. He shared that Plato couldn't stand the sophists, and the reason wasn't because he disliked rhetoric. It was because sophists treated argument as a game, something to win, rather than as a tool to uncover the truth. Modern legal practice, especially family law, suffers from the same sickness. Sophistry isn't just manipulation, it's argument detached from responsibility. It's bending logic for advantage instead of accuracy. It's treating persuasion as the goal instead of understanding. Plato called it out because it rewards appearance over wisdom and victory over reality. And if you've spent any time in court, you've seen the modern version. Lawyers who argue to win, not to clarify. Too many lawyers operate like hired guns, intimidating instead of illuminating, shaping narratives to inflame emotion and divert attention rather than reveal truth. Interrogatories become scripts, not inquiries. Depositions become performances. This is known as heuristic practice, argument as combat, and it corrodes everything it touches: clients, courts, families, and justice. Dialectic, the method Plato championed, is the opposite. It's a disciplined inquiry. It requires humility, self-scrutiny, and a loyalty to the facts, not self-interest. A dialectical lawyer is one who understands before trying to persuade, who concedes what, in fairness, needs to be conceded, who abandons a weak position instead of doubling down, who puts accuracy above mere persuasion. This isn't softness, it's intellectual and moral rigor. Family law exposes the harm of heuristic lawyering in the starkest possible way. Telling scary stories because they work, weaponizing a child's fears, filing motions to burden and intimidate the other parent. These tactics don't just mislead courts. They don't solve problems. They distort reality for impressionable young children, entrench false narratives, and undermine public trust. They damage families and individual family members. And worst of all, many lawyers justify it because, as they put it, the system is adversarial. But the adversarial model was designed to test truth, not to cultivate hostility and reward gamesmanship. The legal field needs fewer gladiators and more guides. Lawyers should be helping courts see clearly, not fogging their lenses. Truth-seeking representation protects clients far better than hollow victories built on distortion. It produces orders that hold up. It reduces conflict instead of escalating it. It grounds outcomes in reality, not narrative. The profession needs correction. Heuristic lawyering produces distortion and injustice. Dialectical lawyering produces clarity and just outcomes. For the sake of children, parents, families, and the integrity of the system, the choice shouldn't be hard. Plato's challenge still stands today. Will we treat argument as combat or as inquiry?